Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can insert field black circle number in Excel. This is very simple and easy. First you need to place the cursor in the desired cell and then put the equal sign and type UNICHAR, open the bracket and type 10102 and close the bracket, hit enter. And now drag the formula to the other rows. Go to the row number 3. Press F2 and change it to 3 if you want to insert 2, and again press F2 and remove it and press 4, and for 4 you need to change it for 5, and this is 6, this is 7, press F2, 8, remove it, 9, and 1, 0 is the 9, and 1, 1, and like this one. If you don't want to use this formula, you can either go to the insert, click on the symbols, and in the symbols you need to select the wingdings found, and here you need to select the black field number. For example, if you want to insert the 1, you just need to click it and click insert and close it, and here it is. Again go to the insert, go to the symbol, go to the wingdings 2. If you want to insert 2, you need to click insert and close it. So this is pretty time taking if you insert through the symbols, and if you use the formula you can wrap up your job quickly. So I hope now you understand how you can insert filled black circle number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.